Hey there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Gururo with a new video titled 7 tips to help you cope with exam stress. Exam season is the most stressful time for university and college students. While some students excel at this type of test format, many do not. And it's not hard to see why. Studies have shown exams are not an efficient way to test a student's knowledge. Unfortunately, exams are still used to determine 25% or more of a student's final grade. For this reason, students must go into their exams as prepared and calm as possible. Easier said than done, right? We have previously covered the best study hacks to help students prepare for exams. Today, we will focus more on mental health and discuss 7 stress management tips for students writing exams. Please watch the video till the end to gain complete insights, else you will go with half-baked information. First, go for a walk. Keeping your head down and focused on your studies is a great way to prepare for exams, as long as you remember to take breaks. One of the best things you can do for yourself is to go for a walk. Walking is good for your physical health and boosts memory and brain power. Getting outside for a walk can help you reflect on what you have learned and return to your studying feeling refreshed if you are stuck on a challenging concept or set of questions. Before moving ahead, I would like to let you know that Gururo has tied up with top international universities and offers all courses across all continents except Antarctica. Check the link in the description to get a free consultation to get your dream university. Second, set a schedule and stick to it. Look, we are not going to judge if you are one of those who can cram the night before and ace the exam. If this works for you, go ahead and stick to it. However, most students don't benefit from this kind of exam prep. We are saying that you will want to create a study schedule for yourself. Feel free to put in as much or as little detail as you want, but at the end of the day, having some plan will keep you on track and motivated. Check out College Info Greek's Guide for some great tips on how to create your study schedule. Third, listen to music. Listening to music is a great way to create a calming, positive environment for yourself. Certain types of music can give your mood a boost and spark motivation. While it can be difficult for some students to concentrate on studying while listening to music, there are ways to make it work. We have outlined different genres that make for excellent study aid in one of the videos, but pick something without lyrics when in doubt. Classical or ambient music both do the trick. Next is get enough sleep. We all know how important sleep is for our well-being. Yet, many of us don't get enough of it. University and college students have poor sleep habits, and honestly, it's hard to blame them. Students are under a constant time crunch every semester between homework, classes, part-time jobs, and busy social life. However, if there's one time of year to focus on the quality of your sleep, it's arguably exam season. Sleep helps your brain retain new knowledge, so it goes hand in hand with studying. Plus, getting a good night's sleep before an exam will help lower stress and help with concentration. It's also a good idea because the last thing you want is to wake up late for the exam. After all, you spent all night cramming. Next is remember to breathe. Micro breaks not only help your mind refocus, but they are essential for practicing mindfulness. Breathing exercises or meditation effectively calm your nerves and center your mind on the moment at hand. Throughout the entire exam season, it's important to remember to take time for yourself. Many students put themselves under too much pressure and in turn have a lot of anxiety around exams. Just remember to take a few breaths, let go of negative thoughts, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You got this. Talk it out. We have previously discussed the importance of studying and trading notes with friends. However, discussing upcoming exams with other students can also benefit your well-being. Talk out any anxieties or misgivings you may have about an upcoming exam. If they are a good friend, they will listen and offer advice, even if it's just reaffirming your capabilities. Emotional support goes a long way in navigating stressful situations. So if you need help, make sure you ask for it. Your school also has counselors at the ready to help with exam stress should you need it. So don't be afraid to drop in or make an appointment. Tune others out. On the other hand, sometimes the best thing you can do for stress management is to stop listening to other people altogether. Many know how toxic social media can be for our moods and well-being. Comparing ourselves to others' highlight reels is a recipe for disappointment in our lives. The same holds to an extent for studying with others. It's helpful to review notes with others, but make sure not to get too caught up in comparing your study habits to others. Doing so can cause unneeded stress as you question whether you are as prepared for exams as your peers. The truth is, you are likely doing fine. Trust in your methods and don't let other people dump their stress on you. So that's it from today. If you want more informative or interesting videos like this, consider subscribing. Gururo.